If you like ice cream, these are the videos for you. I've developed 6 ice creams, creamies, all the way from maple walnut to something I call the Elvis, 3 berries, blackberry, black cherry or cherry Garcia, strawberry, a standard chocolate that you can build off of. I'll probably break these videos up into different pieces in case you're just interested in one. If you're interested in 2 or 3, I'll just post them as they're available up there and down below so that you can check them out. Get ready for some ice cream fun. This recipe is for a baseline chocolate in which you can build off of. Starting out with 12-ounce milk. If you're going to use vegan, I would go with 6 ounces of coconut milk, 6 ounces of almond milk. Otherwise, use lactose-free, whole milk, 2%, 1%, whatever you want. 2% I find works best for us. 30 grams of chocolate protein powder, chocolate collagen peptide powder, and I'm going to use 10 grams of that. Now, one of the things you'll notice at a lot of other chocolate ice cream recipes is they'll use cocoa powder, but the main ingredient on a lot of these protein powders, and certainly on this collagen peptide powder, posted down below, is cocoa powder. I don't want to overkill on the chocolate. And if for some reason I feel it's light on the chocolate flavor, I'll just blend it up the first time in the creamy, and then I'll add chocolate chips or something like that. Use a whisk before I use a frother. I found the whisk helps join up all the powder with the milk. That way you don't get a bunch of powdering spraying out. But it's still a little clumpy. I finish off with the frother. I'll let this sit for about 15 minutes, settle down before I put it in the freezer. We'll wait 24 hours and mix it in the creamy. Here you can see that it's fairly level on top, and I've run it under the water to loosen it up. Put it in the creamy blender. Make sure it's in the little grooves in the bottom. Turn it on, full, and I want it on light ice cream. Hit the button. Sounds like a jet engine. Little powdery, which is what to be expected. So let's give it a taste and see how we're doing. Okay, the flavor is good. I'm not going to do anything here. I might put in some chocolate chips. After moving it around with a spoon a bit, I'm kind of happy with the look of this. Yeah, that's a good basic chocolate. Chocolate chips. See, the creamy, the ice creams in general for the creamy, they get soft pretty quickly. You want to be careful second spinning them or anything like that. Now for the taste test. It's a nice, silky smooth chocolate. You could add cherries to this kind of cherries, strawberries, nuts, whatever you can think of. You can put it in on the mix-in setting, but I like to kind of fold the ingredients in a little like this and just kind of move it around that way. If you put them in the mix-in setting, there's always a chance they're just going to get chopped up into nothingness. Delicious. Check it out. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of creamy recipes of all kinds, home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna taste.